this again. A little different this time. I told myself that money would never be a factor. Now I'm laughing at Benny Hanna's with benefactors. Sell my soul for an artist lost.
What's up, guys? It's finally time. We're going on our trip. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but living on the bus, working a full-time job, and getting all this ready to go has been extremely difficult. We actually just got back from touring the Pacific Northwest.
Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time, and I came to groove. The whole band's here, and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes.
So here's the deal. We don't have a shower installed for the bus, so what we got to do is use this and our super handy shower that we purchased. So the only problem, it's like, Alec, how cold is it right now?
35 degrees.
35 degrees.
My dick is non-existent at the moment.
Packing up camp for the night. We've been here 3 nights at Camp Mora, down in La Push. I was just up there strapping everything down to the top. I'm about to head back out.
It was a beautiful time, but it was also horrible. The whole time it was about 30 degrees and it was freezing, and to top it all off,
Storm warnings are in effect across the Pacific Northwest.
A powerful storm approaches.
The county executive has preemptively declared an emergency.
so that sucked. And on top of that, just getting everything going with the bus, you know, we had to still answer, like, the most important question is, like, what the fuck is the Ainu project? So, the Ainu project...
Take a break. Gather your thoughts before you answer.
Yeah.
What do you think? Let's just talk really fast. All right. What are you going to say? What do you think?
Ask me the question.
What is the Ainu project?
The Ainu project is... That's a really hard question to answer. Because when I explained it to Alec, it was just this meaningful thing about finding yourself and how the Ainu are the original people of the world and how we should try to get back to our origins. And we were interviewing ourselves. Other questions you asked me?
I don't know. Beam in a long... hold on. I had a good one and then it slipped.
Well, can you tell me about, like, being in a relationship and how the long distance thing will affect you?
I've been in a relationship for 3 years with my current girlfriend, love of my life. And
At the end of the day, we're just like, dude, this is so serious. This is not us. Dude, we're just 2 dudes who are trying to find themselves after getting out of the military. You know, we integrated back into normal society and we're doing great at it, but it's just not us, you know? It's hard to integrate back for the both of us, you know, for whatever reason. So that's how the Ainu project was created. It's just 2 best friends trying to really examine society for what it is, and hopefully in that find what it is that we're looking for, whatever that may be, you know? And that's what the Ainu really is. As of right now, we're ready to go, and we're gonna be in the United States until July, and we're gonna see this place for what it really is. And thank you for watching this. So we were just driving down the road, and we just hear something flapping, 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 and our solar panel just flew right off the roof, man. Such a bummer. Look at Alec. He had to go back and get it.
Do it! Just do it!
I enjoyed it.
Man,
Yeah. Now I gotta clean everything up so I can start my next project.
you gonna say bye to John?
Well,
why do you want all this on film?
He's putting it on.
Jeez.
Just get rid of my hair. Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Hey, no problem, man.
You guys are gay. I'm just playing.